Hey guys, Rachel here with WTI, and this Elite protein powder is my husband's favorite. It has such a good taste, and there's so many good things packed into this powder.
So the Dymatize Elite gives you 25 grams of protein, and the entire container has 67 servings. What I really love about this powder is that it does have a nice natural vanilla flavor. I feel like it's the perfect amount of sweetness. I don't like sweet things. It's not too sweet. At the same time, it's not bitter or chalky. It just tastes really good. It doesn't have a fake sweet type of taste. I like to make this. It tastes like a strawberry milkshake. So I'll just put some powder, some pumpkin seeds, strawberries, and then I'll add nut milk and blend, and it tastes absolutely delicious. Everyone that I've made this for loves it. It blends so nicely and it just has a great flavor. So if you're looking for a powder packed with protein and great ingredients, try this one out.
I highly recommend this one, and that's my point of view.